This entire 3D VFX shot was made with AI, and honestly, the quality blew my mind. Take a good look at this scene. Every single asset you're seeing, the buildings, the props, the textures, none of it was modeled by hand. Not one polygon. Now, normally, a shot like this would take me about 2 days in Blender. Modeling, retop, UVs, texturing, you know the drill. This one, under an hour. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my entire workflow, step by step, using a tool called Tripo, and by the end, you'll see exactly how you can do this yourself. Let's get into it. So this is Tripo 3D. It's basically an AI 3D workspace. Here, you can create 3D models from text prompts and images. I will put the link in the description. Just click on it and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. There you can notice two options: High Detailed Model and Smart Topology Mesh. If you want to create a production or print-ready model, go with High Detailed. And if you want to create assets for games and apps, then use the Smart Mesh. However, the first thing I want to show you is that you don't even need to leave the platform to develop your idea. There's a built-in image generation module with models like Nano and GPT right inside it. Click on the drop-down button from here and you will find the Generate Image option. Now here we can create the concept images. First of all, let's create the character images. I am entering the prompt for our character, a courier girl in 3D style. I will put all the elements prompt in the description. Next, you can select a template from here. You will find all templates that 3D artists need. As this is a character, I will go with T-pose. Next, set the image model. You will find GPT image, Nano Midjourney, and more. Select which one you want to use. After that, set the aspect ratio and number of images. Once done, hit the Generate Image button. The image is generating, and here it is. The image is ready. Look at this. This is a perfect character, already looks like a perfect 3D model. Now you can select one of them and turn it into a 3D model. However, this is just the front view of the character. But if you have the multiple view, such as side view, back view, and more, to do that, click on Multi-View button from here. And here it is. You can see that 3 new images have been generated and you can see the result. Okay, our input images are set. Now, we will turn them into a 3D model. Tripo has 2 generation systems, and knowing when to use which one is the whole trick. The first is called P1.0 Smart Mesh, and it's built for speed. We're talking lightweight, low poly models in under 5 seconds. And the second one is the HD model. This is Tripo's high detail model, and it's built for final production. AAA quality detail, accurate geometry, stable topology, the stuff that actually holds up in a render. As this is my hero model, I will go with HD mode. Okay, now come to the settings. This is geometry and texture settings. First we have the Ultra Mesh quality. If you want a very high detailed product ready model for 3D printing, then turn this on. And if you're working on a big animation or game project, turn it off. After that, if you want to generate texture along with geometry, then turn on the texture option. Next, select the number of texture. You can create native 8K texture. Next, you can create PBR material. In the end, set the topology mode and number of topology. In the triangle mode, you can create up to 2 million textures. However, I will go with quad mode because I will use it in various projects later. Okay, next, if you want to generate the model in part views, you can turn on this option. I don't need it now. After that, set the privacy mode and the AI model. I will use the latest model. Once everything is set, hit the Generate Model button. The model is generating. It will create both the polygon and texture. And here it is. The model is ready. And look at this. This is really amazing. You can rotate the model, pan it, and view it in various material modes. You can even test it in various environments. Now look at the texture. It's clear and crisp. Detailing is amazing. This is a perfect character model for my scene. Now you can export the model and use it in your project. However, there is another feature called DCC Bridge. You can install it and export your model directly to your 3D workspace. And here's the thing, Tripo isn't just a generator. Everything stays in the same workspace. I can segment parts of the model, retopologize, even rig and animate right here. I did a quick rig test on this asset just to prove it works. And yeah, it works. Alright, our first model is ready. Now I will create the second model. This is a flying vehicle. I am coming to the image generator. Enter the prompt and set all the settings. Once done, hit generate. And here it is. The image is ready. Now, as this is just a prop, I will create a low poly model. However, I will create multiple views for better consistency. Once the multiple views are ready, I will set all the settings here and then hit generate model. And here it is. The model is ready, and you can see the result. Let's see the wireframe mode. You can see the model's polygons. Although the number of polygons is very limited, it looks very clean. This is a very good lightweight model. Now, if you want to create the texture, just click here. And here it is. The texture is ready. Now, you can create segmentation for this model, retopologize it, and more. Once you find the best model, export to the 3D workspace. Okay, we are done. Now, using a similar method, I will create all other models. Once all the models and the environment are ready, I will create the scene with Blender. So, here's the final shot. Every asset in this scene was generated with AI, blocked out with Smart Mesh, finaled with H3.1, textured in 8K, rendered in Blender. Let's talk numbers. The traditional way, 2 days, easily. Modeling, retub, UVs, texturing. This workflow, 55 minutes, start to finish. That's not a small improvement, that's a completely different way of working.
If you want to try this yourself, the link is in the description. Sign up through it and you'll get 500 bonus credits to start creating right away. And if you want to unlock everything, use the code TRIPOCREW, all caps, for 60% off your first month of Pro. That's less than $8. Go make something cool. And if you do, tag me and at Tripo AI. I genuinely love to see it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.